Welcome back, everybody, to another episode of cooking. So, I was at my local Walmart, and I saw this. The Hereford Rip and Ready Beef and Taco Filling. Fully cooked, ready to eat. No added hormones. Good stuff. You get 6 ounces or 10 grams of protein. 170 grams overall. Alright. Nutritional facts. Heating instructions. Well, you can heat this on a stovetop. That means you can heat this on a camp stove and the UPC. Now this is October 2023. You'll see the expiration date is the 3rd month of 2025. That's pretty good for a pouch of meat. Well, I have worked up quite an appetite. It is dinner time. So let us make a burrito wrap, shall we? And I'm going to do this like I would if I was out in the woods. So let's get everything set up. Camping Moon XD2F stove, and I've got my Pathfinder 64-ounce bush pot. And we're going to follow the stovetop directions right here, which is carefully place pouch in boiling water and simmer 3 to 5 minutes. Carefully remove pouch from boiling water and allow to stand for 30 seconds. Then you can serve. So let's get my water on here and let's get it boiling. And if I hadn't mentioned, I got this for $3.49 at my local Walmart. Not exactly cheap, but nothing is anymore. I have a boil, so I'm going to doing this around the camera is so much fun. Alright. As you can see, we have a nice boil. I'm going to turn down my stove. Oops. There we go. To a simmer. We're going to pop this pouch in there. Alright. And I'll bring you back in 5 minutes. It's been 5 minutes. I'm going to remove this from this water. Let that cool off. It says they'll give it 30 seconds to cool off. I think that's... Take that off. Burrito. We got our ground beef. I got a little bit of cheddar jack cheese and some sour cream. We're going to make this real simple. Alright, let's get in here. Oh, I can smell that beef. Alright, I am going to taste this by itself. Yeah, that ain't bad. That ain't bad at all. It's almost like a patty in here because it's been, whoops. Got a little too much liquid there, but that's fine. Oh, yeah. This will be just what the doctor ordered. Now, usually, when I used to make trail burritos or tacos or stuff like that, I used to take canned chicken and I'd do a chicken taco. But this is the first time I've done it out of a pouch. Looks like there's enough in here for 2 moderate-sized ones. So we're going to call that enough for 1. And just a bit of sour cream. I don't go too crazy with it. Just enough to taste. Okay. Let's wrap this guy up. Oops. Got it coming out the bottom there. Not a big deal. All right. I'm going to eat this, and I'll get right back with you. I was able to make 2 decent-sized little burritos with the ground beef that was in here. It wasn't heavily spiced. In fact, it was pretty light, pretty mild. So if you wanted something more spicy, you'd have to pack in your own spices. Maybe a little Tabasco, some chili powder, stuff like that. You know, and another thing, you know, putting this in a microwave-safe container and microwaving it. So if you had a microwave-safe container, you could take this to work and make tacos. So it's not only just for the trail, it's for the convenience of it. So for me, that ain't too bad. It's a little bit more money than I wanted to spend at $3.49, but hey, that ain't bad. I would definitely pack that for trail tacos or burritos. Alright, so buy it, don't buy it. It is available at your local Walmart. Give it a try. Alright, thank you for watching and have a good night. Kira, say good night. Thank you.